Let's get down to it with our trader rundown and Tim Biggam of Options Insider. A big day for earnings here. What's your expectations for the market?
Yeah, I think, given the fact we're still mired in this trading range, it's going to take pretty explosive earnings, I think, to break out to the upside. We're trading at high, multiples. Those stocks are pretty expensive. Money's cheap. That's why we're stuck here. So I think if we get something decent out of GE, that may trickle through because that certainly is kind of a big conglomerate.
Big bellwether of the economy for sure. Okay, so we are also post-debate. How is the market doing in relation to the election season?
Yeah, absolutely. And if the market hadn't priced in Hillary all the way, it certainly did after the debate. I think it was leaning a big way that way. And Hillary, as I talked about, I think a couple of shows ago, is lower volatility and I think more beneficial for stocks, more certainty. She's not going to change. Trump is more volatility, the wild card. So Hillary in office, I think, will provide more of a floor for stocks here.
Now, one of the sectors I know you're watching is tied to the industrial place. It is the steel industry. So what do you see happening here?
Yeah, in fact, yesterday's price action kind of is reminiscent of, maybe a bottom and a top all in the same day. We saw the steel stocks open lower on some marginally bad earnings and then on a dime just turned and ripped higher. So I think that huge trading range is kind of emblematic of the market overall. So I think we'll just stay within that range as well.
What steel stocks are you trading actively?
Yeah, absolutely. Steel Dynamics and U.S. Steel, two of the bigger ones. Steel Dynamics, a little more specialty. U.S. Steel, certainly the biggest of the big out there.
Well, thanks for coming on the show.
You bet.